Girl, it's more than I dare to think about. La la la, la 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 la.
Guys, welcome to our channel. So today, we're going to vlog about the use of the solar energy. Please enjoy and keep watching. So now, my partner will demonstrate about the solar panel.
This is the solar panel and
To make it work, you need to put it in the roof to collect solar energy. So this is the solar light. So first, the red one. The red one means that the charging consumption is 25 to 50%, and the blue one is the 75, and the green one is the 100%, and it is full.
it means
It means you turn it to the auto mode. So when the sun goes down, the light will automatically turn on. And these three buttons are the timer of this solar lights.
the role of the solar energy, reducing carbon footprint and promoting the eco-friendly practice. Reducing carbon footprint and promoting the eco-friendly practice.
Sis,
Wala.